Hi friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will be showing how you can create a Trustpilot review badge or Trustpilot review blog in your Shopify store. So you might have seen some reviews like this in many of the checkout page of Shopify store. So I will be explaining how you can create similar kind of blogs in your store too. Watch this video completely without skipping. For this, you have to be a Shopify Plus members. The only requirement for this to have is the Shopify Plus membership. And let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So for setting this up, I'm using checkout extension in app. This is easily available from the Shopify App Store. If you need, I will be attaching the link to this app in the description box. You can just check it out. After your installation, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and go to your blog section. Now you can create a new blog. You can either choose some templates, some default templates will be available here. You can just go to any if you want. Otherwise, you can just close it and you can create your own one. So let's add a blog name here. Let's go to Trustpilot as the block name. It should be anything, but should be a meaningful one so that you can just easily identify this from your list of blocks. And click on add block here. And let's search for the Trustpilot block. You can see the Trustpilot block here. Let's add this to the checkout. And next thing, we can open this and you will be getting some main title first. You can just add anything. I'm just going with the Trustpilot reviews as such, and you can give any maximum reviews as number. I'm just going for 3 now. And overall rating, you can use any image URL. I'm going with this so that I will be showing that this is the image URL. So the image URL of this one is the one which I have pasted here. So if you need, I will be copying or pasting this in the description, and you can just click on add new item. Here we have to add the review details. So first thing, we have to add a title. Let's go for the same one. Let's add this to the title, and rating we can go for with 5, and we can also have a detailed video. Let's go with the same. I'm just adding the same here, and you can also have some name. So let's add this name as such. So date also, you can just either choose the date as 6 hours ago or something days ago, like that. Otherwise, you can just keep the date, month, year format. That's up to you. And I'm adding one more preview. Let's add this one. Yeah, I have copied this, and the rating will be 4. And the review, let's add the same. Name, let's copy from the store. Yeah, I have copied the name and the date also. Let's go with the same. And let's add one more now. And you can see the third one by dragging the cursor. So let's add this as our title. Let's go with the 3 star. And the review detail thing we can add here. Name, let's copy from here. Date also, let's go with some. Yeah, so we have done. And the layout spacing, you can just go with I'm just going with the base one. You can have some extra tight, lows, extra lows. The UI customization, you can just go with the advanced settings. So I'm just going with the base one. And so setup is done and the status is active. Now let's save it. So after saving it, we will be getting a block ID. From here, we have to copy this and we have to open the checkout editor page. Now we can click on custom block and add our block to the checkout. Now we have to paste the block ID here. Then you can see that the block has been created here. Now let's go to the app section. Now let's drag this block to order summary page, which is the suitable one. I have already created one here, so I'll be not creating one more. So that's how you can create a Trustpilot review in your store. So while you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.